Hi you all, my name is Siti Nur Atira binti Mama Nafsid. Today I will explain a little bit how install the Linux distribution. What is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is a free and open source operating system with millions of users. It is also a collaborative project and community. Ubuntu based on Linux, a massive project that enables millions of people around the world to run machine powered by free and open software on all of devices. Linux comes in many shapes and sizes, with Ubuntu being the most popular and desktop and laptop. For additional information, Linux is the best known and most used open source system. As an operating system, Linux is software that is underneath all of the other software on a computer. Receive requests from that program and relaying these requests to computer hardware. This is an interface for Linux. First, download the OS file on user computer from this link. http ubuntu.com download desktop. This is ISO format. Secondly, the user must download free software to make a bootable USB stick such as Universal USB installer from this link. Select an Ubuntu drive to put on user USB and select the Ubuntu ISO file in step 1. Next, select the drive letters of USB to install Ubuntu and click Create. The Ubuntu has been complete installer. Now Ubuntu on a USB bootable and ready to go. Install VMware Virtualbox from this link. After that, click Next. This is an interface from VMware Virtualbox. To create virtual machine, user must type name for operating system and change a memory size. Next, choose Create and Virtual Machine Hard Disk Now and click Create. Memory size, create virtual machine, create virtual hard disk, create hard disk file type, storage on physical hard disk. Next, right click and click setting or click setting at top beside button new. Click add storage and choose empty from button storage device. This is icon disk at right interface. Choose virtual optical disk file. Next, choose Ubuntu drive and click open. Click OK to continue. Click Ubuntu Atira and click Start. Ubuntu get start. Select a language, English, and click Install Ubuntu. Next, choose English US and click Continue. Choose normal installation and click Continue. Choose something else and click Install Now to continue. To create a partition, click New Partition Table and click Install Now. After user click Install Now, There is notification pop up in screen and user must click continue. Type size. New partition is logical and choose mount form as type size 2000. New partition is logical and choose mount point. Next, type size 100. New partition is logical and choose mount of at home. This is interface. After finish, write the partition and click install now. After click install now, this message will display and click continue. This interface want to know where is user location now. Choose Kuala Lumpur and click continue. After choose location, this is interface want to know about user. User must type their name and password in box given. Copy file on implemented. Installation system start. Write the password below. Password is F4023. This is interface for Linux after user sign in. Ubuntu is done. The conclusion is Linux is open source operating system and the benefit is easy available to everyone. After I install this Linux, I have more information about Linux, like Linux is more secure in comparison to other operating systems, such as Windows. This software update much faster than update in any other operating system. Freely available on the web to download and use. There are a lot of dedicated programmers there to help users out whenever possible. When installing this Linux, user many channels, but to mean secure, the user has to keep working until the last step. Using Virtualbox, it is not too difficult, just there is deadlock. Sometimes an user must explore in settings to keep Virtualbox run fastly.